Hello! In this video, I will show you how to configure the Fraud Protection add-on. Go to the Affiliate Press add-on page. This is the Affiliate Press Feature Add-ons page. Activate the Fraud Protection add-on. Now, add-on is activated. Click on the Configure button, and it will redirect you to the Anti-Fraud Settings page. This is the Anti-Fraud Settings page. Affiliate Press provides two types of fraud detection upon conversion rate. First one is allow unlimited conversions, and the second one is commissions flagged if the conversion rate exceeds limits. Now set the max conversion rate. Affiliate Press provides 10 default rate. If you set the 1 in allowed max conversion rate, then that means after 11 commission, 12 commission will be flagged. Click on the Save button to save your changes. I already added 11 commissions using the same affiliate user. Go to the Affiliates page and copy the affiliate link. Go to the Commission page and see the commission record. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Commission page, where you will see the affiliate's users' commission records. Go to the front-end side with the affiliate link and purchase the new product. This is the WooCommerce checkout page. Enter the contact information, select the payment method, and click on the Place Order button. The product has been purchased successfully. Now, go to the backend side commission page. Reload the page or click on the Apply button to refresh the commission's records. Now, you should be able to show that commission with a red flag. Now, go to Affiliate Press Settings Anti-Fraud Settings page. Affiliate Press provides to block user registration with the help of restricted IPs. Here, you can add the user's IP address to block the user registration, and you can also add multiple IPs separated by commas. Once the user's IP address is added, the user won't be able to register as an affiliate.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.